weird yung sasabihin ko eh. Kasi the last time na kinilig ako sa'yo, it wasn't in our scene or anything. It was when I saw you sa Incognito.
Ay, wow.
Kasi nakita ko kung gaano kakagaling. Siguro ibang klaseng kilig to. And we also watched it here.
Kilig with matching super proud.
Oo, ganun po, ganun po. We watched it here before anyone else. I wanted to see also kung ano yung... Kasi wala siyang sinabi sa akin. Sabi niya, basta panoorin mo lang. And I remember, di ba, yung itsura mo dun, nung nagtitake kayo, tapos sabi mo, gaganyan ka ni Eruption, sabi ko, okay, tignan nga natin kung ano yung magiging kalabasan nun. So, pinanood namin dito. Sobrang galing mo. And siguro dun, when I see that she does something very different and when people see that of her, kinikilig din ako. Kasi nakita ko kung gaano siya... kung gaano kalaki yung binigay niya for that. Yeah.
I can sense that sincerity ha. Kasi
Correct.
usually nga, kapag magkasama na kayo lagi, tama